I talked about getting direct support from Red Hat. So again, you can choose to come directly to Red Hat for your support. But of course, there's also the option to use the built-in support from Azure as well, right? So anybody who's ever raised a support ticket on Azure is probably very, very familiar with this. But if you just sit here and type, you can see that there's a knowledge base built into Azure for Linux issues and some Red Hat issues as well. It is different from the Red Hat knowledge base, but you'll see that there's some useful things that pop up. So for example, if you want to do a root password reset, there's a little guide here that can talk you through how to do that. But should you click on that link and go and create a new support request, again, it looks and behaves exactly like support for anything else on Azure. However, there is this little drop down that says it's a virtual machine running Red Hat. So it means that a support request goes to an integrated support team. That team is staffed by both Red Hat and Microsoft experts. So it's folks that know RHEL on Azure, do this every day with customers, all the time, and so they're going to be familiar with not just Red Hat issues, but issues that may specifically come up when running on Azure. So do check that out. If you're looking to raise a support ticket, don't just select regular VM, but VM running Red Hat means you're going to get routed to that integrated support team. Right? So that's a real benefit.
I think that's really important as well, James. It does illustrate the partnership between Microsoft and Red Hat, the fact that we have integration at various different levels across the company in engineering and sales and marketing, but also in support. And you don't want to get bounced between two different teams when you've got a problem, you want it solved as quickly as possible. So we love the fact that we have this sort of integration together, and hopefully that it will result in tickets getting solved quicker for customers when they need to do it.